Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I have a baby shower haul just because I thought that will be fun to do. I guess technically a baby sprinkle because we have had a baby before. This time it's just a girl. So I figured I would share a little haul of what we got. Now this is not me bragging. We are very grateful for the family that we have that, helped in some way, or even if they didn't necessarily have to get us something, if they are just willing to help in other ways. I just thought this would be fun to do because it's girly, and after being a boy mom, I think boy stuff is really cute, but like there's something about little girl things that I think is just adorable. So without further ado, let's get started. So one thing we definitely got a lot of this time, which is totally fine, are clothes and bibs. So there were a couple of clothes. We got clothes with little ruffles. We have bibs galore. Tons and tons of little girl bibs. And then just like these, like this is so cute. We did get a couple different onesies that were in different sizes. So like this is the same, but like one's a newborn and one is 3 months. I really, really love the little strawberries on this one. Again, sizes varied. I feel like 3 months was the most popular size we got, which is fine. I love this one too with the cherries and the little strawberries and the little ruffle as well. This little ruffly rompery thing. So cute. And then we did give up clothes in various sizes. So like this is a 12-month outfit. We have another newborn sleeper, although this newborn sleeper, that braid just looks really big. I think that this might be my favorite, just this little sister. And then I also love the blue flowers. I think that one was really, really cute. That's a 3 to 6 month. Oh, this outfit's adorable too. It's a little 0 to 3 month. I love that this sleeper came with a little hat that's got a bow. We have another little 2-piece set that's got a little hat. That's in 3 to 6 months also. 3-month little outfit. And then just a couple more onesies. I'm interested to see how we dress her this time. Whenever we had Owen, our son, I feel like I did dress him in a lot of sleepers, and that's probably what she'll be in for a while. Sleepers and onesies. That's what we use most. I think that's typically what people use most, but I am excited to maybe put her in a couple little cute outfits every now and then just to spice it up. But yeah, so those are the clothing things we got. Next, we do have some little accessories. So just some little baby socks. More baby socks, but these have little ruffles. We have some bows and oh wait, that went with something else. But it went with one of the big things that just came off. Another thing I'm really excited about, this is gonna go in the hospital bag. It's a little swaddle and bow matching set that we got to get a little picture of her. I did put on there a couple things for me. This was the only thing for me that was bought, which is fine. It is a nursing tank top. I lived in these, so this and these are gonna be thrown into the hospital bag. We got just a little stuffy with little crinkles and tags, and I just thought it was super cute. We did put on the registry for a stroller organizer. We did not get one with that one. I think we might have had it on the registry, but I'm glad that we got this just because we will have 2 under 2. They're gonna be in different stages, need different things, at least for a little while. So I think it'd be nice to kind of have a separation. Little pink fluffy blankie. I remember with Owen, I feel like we always needed a fluffy blankie, especially as, the winter or the cold kicked in. A Milk Snob little cover, or 5-in-1 cover. I think I'll mostly use it for a nursing cover. Most of my nursing covers were kind of boy-y, so excited to have a girly one. We got some cute little printed bed or crib sheets. Most of ours were boy-y, especially that we were given after he was born. our son that is. We did get some swaddles, again with swaddles and blankets. I wanted to get a couple girly ones, mainly just because, well, we did get a lot of neutral things for our baby last time because we waited to find out the gender till he was born. I did remember, I feel like most neutral things lean more boy, so I was excited to pick out some girly ones. Oh, I did put in for this Frida baby, like cradle cap set. I vividly remember Owen didn't have cradle cap, but we did use a Frida baby product that was like this, so I was super excited to get it, and I definitely think that the one that we had, I don't know where it went, but I'm excited to have like this 3-piece set in case she does have cradle cap or to help prevent her from getting cradle cap. That would be awesome. And then we didn't really have a good thermometer, so I put one on there, and thankfully we got it. This one can go in the ear, in the forehead, and it's touchless temp, checks for room or bottle temp, so all of those things. So I was super excited about that as well. Obviously, I'm excited and grateful about everything, but like there are a couple things that I was super excited to get. We got another little teether, which is good, because I don't know where most of ours went. We probably just got rid of them. We did get a new diaper bag, and I'm excited to use this one. So we had a diaper bag originally, but the original one that I got, I didn't realize that it didn't have a side pocket for like a sippy cup, and that became essential once Owen got bigger. So we got a different diaper bag, but it is definitely only meant for one. I'm pretty sure it was listed as a single, and he's basically busting the seams. But the cool thing about this one, so it does have a side for a sippy cup, and then it does have a side that could be used for wipes. I mean, it's clearly meant for wipes to get out there, but I'm sure you could stick a sippy cup in there as well. It has an insulated pocket pouch, a normal pocket pouch, but the best thing about this one is it is meant to be used as a double. So you can unzip this part, and it goes from a single bag, and you have the ability to have it be a bigger double bag for multiple kids. Super excited about that as well. I cannot wait to fill that diaper bag out. We did get a thing of newborn diapers, which I'm super excited about as well. I remember for Owen, our first baby, I bought so many diapers, and we were so prepared. We have now 2 boxes of newborn diapers. I know somebody did give us a diaper fund, so I'm definitely going to go on there and probably get a couple ones and like a 2, just so that way then we have multiple sizes, because you know they fly through them. They do. I do know. Just a couple more things. Sorry, I'm off to the side because I've got things right here now. I did put on the registry and did get the My Breast Friend pillow. I wanted that pillow because I remember whenever I breastfed Owen last time, whenever we used the boppy, he would kind of like shove in it, and I bought the Frida Mom one, and I didn't end up liking it, but I've heard really good things about the My Breast Friend, so I'm hoping because it's different than the boppy, but it doesn't have like, I don't think the dips and divots that the Frida Mom one did. I'm hoping that this one really does work out. Then we have 2 more things. I'm gonna insert pictures of them actually because they're too heavy for me to put up here, but we did get a new jumper. The jumper that we originally got Owen, he couldn't jump in, and so I don't know, I wanted to get a different one. Thankfully someone got us a different one. It was fine for him, but it just didn't do what I really wanted it to do. And then we also got a new little seat bouncer for when she's little. Whenever we moved, we kept Owen's. We had it wrapped in a garbage bag, but it got wet because it was raining the day that we moved, and we didn't know it, and that just grossed me out, so we just got rid of it and asked for a new one, and thankfully we got it. But yeah, you guys, that is everything that I got from this sprinkle shower. Again, not trying to be braggy, super grateful. I also wanted to show a couple things that I had put on the registry and kind of explain why. I do want to do a baby products video in the coming bit. But yeah, I hope that you did enjoy, and if you did, be sure to subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.